Hi. There you go. There's a smile. Hi. Hi. Will you talk some? Will you talk some? Hi. Hi. Yeah. Hi, sweet girl. You're really trying to check out this camera, huh? There you go. Hi. Hi. Addie really likes this camera, doesn't she? See, I'm checking things out. I'm checking things out. Okay. Not much talking. Say we'll see everybody later. We'll see everybody later.